Vinyl window installation in Gilbert offers a range of benefits for homeowners seeking energy-efficient solutions. With energy-efficient vinyl windows Gilbert, residents can enjoy reduced energy bills and improved home comfort. Our Gilbert window installation experts specialize in providing top-notch vinyl windows, Gilbert solutions tailored to your needs. For those in need of window replacement services, our Gilbert Window Replacement Company offers a variety of vinyl windows, Gilbert options. From double-hung vinyl windows to custom vinyl windows Gilbert, we ensure a perfect fit for every home. Our window replacement specialists in Gilbert are dedicated to delivering high-quality residential window services with vinyl windows Gilbert. Vinyl window installation and maintenance are crucial for preserving the longevity of your windows. Our Gilbert window installation services include vinyl window maintenance, Gilbert and window seal replacement to keep your vinyl windows Gilbert in optimal condition. Trust our vinyl window contractors Gilbert for all your vinyl windows, Gilbert installation needs. Homeowners looking for affordable window options in Gilbert can rely on our vinyl window contractors. We provide affordable vinyl windows Gilbert without compromising on quality. Our vinyl window styles, Gilbert and vinyl window designs. Gilbert offer a wide range of choices in vinyl windows, Gilbert to suit any aesthetic preference. Custom window solutions are available for those seeking unique vinyl window designs Gilbert. Our Gilbert Window Installation Company specializes in creating custom vinyl windows Gilbert that enhance the beauty and functionality of your home. Explore our vinyl window features Gilbert to find the perfect match with vinyl windows Gilbert for your style. Window frame replacement and window glass replacement are essential services offered by our Gilbert Window Installation Services. Our window installation company in Gilbert ensures precise and efficient installations, providing peace of mind with vinyl windows Gilbert for homeowners. Choose our vinyl window experts, Gilbert for reliable window frame replacement and vinyl windows. Gilbert Installation. Vinyl window benefits. Gilbert include improved insulation and noise reduction, making them a popular choice for home window upgrades. Our Gilbert home window upgrades focus on enhancing the overall performance and appearance of your vinyl windows Gilbert. Experience the advantages of vinyl window features. Gilbert with vinyl windows Gilbert today. Vinyl window contractors Gilbert are committed to delivering exceptional service and craftsmanship. Our Gilbert window installation contractors are experienced in handling all types of vinyl windows Gilbert installations. Whether you need vinyl window replacement Gilbert or new vinyl windows Gilbert installations, we are the trusted choice. Gilbert residential window services encompass a wide range of offerings, from vinyl window installation to complete window replacement. Our window replacement experts in Gilbert are equipped to handle any project, big or small, involving vinyl windows Gilbert. Discover the difference with our vinyl window solutions. Gilbert and professional vinyl windows. Gilbert installations. Vinyl window options Gilbert provide flexibility and customization for homeowners. Our vinyl window styles Gilbert cater to diverse tastes and preferences, ensuring satisfaction for every client with vinyl windows Gilbert. Trust our Gilbert window replacement specialists for expert guidance and installation of vinyl windows Gilbert. Vinyl window installation in Gilbert is a top choice for homeowners seeking energy-efficient solutions. Our Gilbert window installation experts specialize in providing custom vinyl windows Gilbert tailored to your specific needs. With a focus on energy-efficient vinyl windows Gilbert, we ensure your home remains comfortable year-round. For those in need of window replacement services, our Gilbert Window Replacement Company offers a wide range of vinyl windows Gilbert options. From double-hung vinyl windows to custom window solutions, we have the perfect fit with vinyl windows Gilbert for your home. Our window replacement specialists in Gilbert are dedicated to delivering high-quality service and vinyl windows Gilbert products. Vinyl window installation is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Our Gilbert window installation services include window seal replacement and window frame replacement, ensuring your vinyl windows Gilbert remain in top condition. Trust our vinyl window contractors in Gilbert for all your vinyl windows Gilbert installation needs. Affordable window options are available for Gilbert residents looking to upgrade their homes. Our vinyl window solutions offer cost-effective vinyl windows Gilbert without compromising on quality. Explore our vinyl window styles and designs to find the perfect vinyl windows Gilbert match for your home. Vinyl window maintenance is crucial for preserving the appearance and functionality of your windows. Our Gilbert Window Installation Company provides comprehensive maintenance services for vinyl windows Gilbert to keep them looking and performing their best. Regular maintenance of vinyl windows. Gilbert can prevent costly installations and extend the life of your windows. Home window upgrades in Gilbert are made easy with our expert services. Whether you're looking for vinyl window benefits like improved insulation or enhanced curb appeal, our team is here to help with vinyl windows Gilbert. Discover the advantages of vinyl window features and how vinyl windows Gilbert can transform your home. Window glass replacement is a common service needed by homeowners in Gilbert. Our window installation services include replacing damaged or outdated glass with energy-efficient vinyl windows Gilbert options. Trust our window installation experts to provide seamless and efficient glass replacement with vinyl windows Gilbert. Vinyl window designs in Gilbert offer a variety of aesthetic and functional benefits. From traditional to modern styles, our vinyl windows Gilbert options cater to diverse tastes and preferences. Enhance your home's appearance with our stylish and durable vinyl windows Gilbert features. Gilbert residential window services encompass a wide range of offerings, from installation to maintenance of vinyl windows Gilbert. Our vinyl window experts in Gilbert are committed to providing exceptional service and quality vinyl windows Gilbert products. Choose our Gilbert window installation contractors for all your residential vinyl windows Gilbert needs. Vinyl window benefits in Gilbert include improved energy efficiency, reduced noise, and increased home value. Our energy-efficient vinyl windows Gilbert are designed to keep your home comfortable while lowering energy costs. Experience the difference with our high-performance vinyl windows, Gilbert Solutions. Vinyl window contractors in Gilbert are skilled in delivering top-notch window installation services. Our team of professionals is dedicated to ensuring your vinyl windows Gilbert are installed correctly and efficiently. Rely on our Gilbert window installation services for a hassle-free vinyl windows Gilbert experience. Custom vinyl windows in Gilbert offer personalized solutions for your home. Our Gilbert window replacement specialists work closely with you to design vinyl windows Gilbert that meet your specific requirements. Enjoy the perfect blend of style and functionality with our custom vinyl windows, Gilbert Solutions.